the size, thinness of it, I think it's beautiful. I love the name, Edge. Competing with him.
I want more series of Titans of this made in India.
Good evening, everybody. I'm here again in this beautiful city of Pune, and I'm sitting here in a store, a beautiful store surrounded by clocks and watches. I'm at CT Pandol in Pune. For people from Pune, CT Pandol is an institution. It's been here for 117 years. But I'm here with two very exciting guests. So we have, first of all, Lakshveer, fellow Delhiite from the city of Delhi. But more excitingly, for a Titanian like me, he played the role of Gaurav Dhar in the OTT series Made in India, loosely modeled on my first boss in Titan, which is Bhaskar Bhatt.
Yes.
And of course, I have the charming Kavas from CT Pandol. He and his family have been running CT Pandol in Pune for 117 years. So
Only.
welcome, only. So very, very warm welcome to the two of you. This is how the rest of the talk is going to be. But I'm going to kick the ball off
Yeah.
by asking you both. The series Lakshveer is all about dreaming big.
Correct.
Yeah, and it was all about a few people who got together and made it happen. What does dreaming big mean to both of you?
See, unless and until you dream big, you can't become big. We, over the last 117 years, have come a long way. And if we would not have dreamt big, we wouldn't have been at this position.
Absolutely. Yes. Lakshveer, dreaming big.
One that I absolutely agree with him, and I think that's how most of my answers are going to go. I'm going to listen to him and say, yeah, that's right. That's what I want to follow. But yeah, dreaming big for me, I think it becomes a driving force. I think your dreams really carry you. Every morning you wake up, you need something to look forward to. You need something. And it's kind of interesting also that your dream ends and your day begins. So I think that connection has always been there in humanity. And I think that kind of is something that I've always been very glued to.
So big dreams followed by comes with great preparedness.
Yes.
I know you've studied acting. You're a student of acting.
Yes.
And I'm sure you therefore prepared for your role. And I'm hoping that part of the preparation was really brushing up on watches and what watches do. So we're going to do a quick rapid fire to see how well you prepared.
Competing with him.
Absolutely. You're going to compete with him.
but-
117 years
17 is only
of watchmaking
17
versus...
months.
Absolutely. You got
No, but
this,
at least
Lakshveer.
he's now getting glued to watches.
Absolutely.
Getting interested in watches.
Yes,
Yeah.
that's true.
Yeah.
I'm learning.
Yeah.
Yes.
So don't worry. Anything that you get wrong, he's here to cover up for you. Very quickly. How slim is an edge movement?
1.15.
Absolutely. Yeah.
Is that right?
Yes, but that's the quartz movement. The
Okay.
edge mech.
So,
नहीं, आपने तो quartz launch किया था series में.
थोड़ा सा ज्यादा.
so कितना ज़्यादा?
Just 1 mm more.
How much is the edge mech
2.2.
movement? 2.2. Absolutely. Yeah.
That's why I said just 1 mm more.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Only.
When was the edge watch launched?
Late 90s. If that's, I mean, that's what the show is saying.
Yes, I think in the show they show this as late 90s.
My knowledge begins and ends with the show.
But in the
what-
market, it was launched in the market in 2002.
In 2002, you're right.
Okay.
Yes.
The movement was actually made and was ready by the
Yeah.
late 90s.
And then
Ah.
again,
But we-
they had to test and everything.
Absolutely. By the time,
Go through rigorous testing.
Yeah.
absolutely. So we launched the movement in the late 90s, but by the time we made the product and tested it and launched it
2000,
in the market was 2002.
2002.
Yeah.
The learning never stops.
Absolutely. Quartz or mechanical?
Quartz. I mean, my whole pitch in the show, how it began was that we were pitching quartz, and I even love the precision that it comes with. The fact that so many people can afford it. It's a watch that many people can buy. I mean, it's also a very complex machine. It's not like it's not any less complex. So my heart is set at quartz, but sir,
I'm sure he'll have a different opinion.
Yes, I do. My heart is with mechanical watches. I know quartz is good. It is precision. But eventually it is some electronic parts. Whereas a mechanical, a hand winding or automatic is totally mechanical. There is no battery. There is no electronic circuit board. So it's totally a piece of engineering. I understand it cannot be made at a affordable price as quartz. I agree. So quartz is also good at its price bracket, Mechanical is there at its price.
So both of them are actually great engineering.
Yes,
And the
definitely.
good part is you don't actually have to choose. You can buy in your watch
Both.
wardrobe both.
Yes.
No,
Absolutely.
I don't
Yes.
agree both. Multiple.
Multiple. Yes.
And it is Titan who taught the Indian consumer to wear different watches for different occasions.
Absolutely.
You go for a party, you wear a different watch. You go trekking, you wear a different watch. You go swimming, you wear a deep sea diving watch.
Correct.
So it is Titan who taught everybody that you should have different watches for your work, different watches for Saturday, Sunday, or weekends. I do have customers who have hundreds of watches. Anything new that comes, they pick up.
Okay, so last question to you, Lakshmi.
Hanji.
Tell me 3 things about the Edge watch. What are the 3 things that come to your mind?
The size, the thinness of it, I think it's beautiful. I love the name, Edge. I really like the name. And the fact it's ceramic. I think that is also one.
I think you're wearing a ceramic
Yes,
watch, right,
I am.
today?
The Fumage, the Edge Fumage, which I really love. It's very nice. Really like it. I've also been seeing a lot of it with Jim's face. I see Jim Sarv, I see Fumage. So today, Jim, I'm wearing it.
I'm really proud to be associated with a company which is the 5th largest watch manufacturer in the world, which nobody could dream, especially the Swiss people or the Japanese, couldn't even think that India could make watches, first of all, and in 40 years they would become the 5th largest
Yeah.
in the world.
So, Lakshmi, shifting back to you. In the series, you had a mentor.
Correct.
Yeah, you had a mentor. You had Xerxes Desai, that
Mm.
was your mentor in the series. Is there a real life mentor that you look up to? Can you tell us about?
I think one of the most important mentors of my life was one of my first teachers, Keval Arora, who I'm from Delhi University, Tirodimal College, and he was the staff advisor of theatre there. And I think he sort of shifted my perspective about the art form itself, how it's an opportunity to talk about society. You know, acting is often seen as something that you do it for yourself. कि मैं बहुत अच्छा actor बन जाऊँ, famous बन जाऊँ. But I feel what comes with the opportunity to act is to play other people, bring their stories out. And I think that is a very special sort of way to look at it. And that's what my approach has always been, to share as many stories as I can of people who have not been in the limelight, or to bring attention to them. Like, I love the fact that the whole country is watching the show now, and we're all talking about Titan because we must celebrate it. It's a very special company to our country, and it's beautiful that now everyone is interested in Titan. People are buying the watches now, more so, sending me photographs of wearing those watches on their wrist every morning. Say, I bought this one today. I bought this one today. So many people are buying Edge, Titan Edge. So it's like, it's lovely. You know, this is what I think my craft allows me to do, and I love that.
Fantastic. But Titan, like you said, is a company built on relationships and people.
Correct.
And I think, Kavis, you've known Titan and Titanians for decades. Is there anything that you want to tell us
Inception.
about
Inception and before inception.
before inception?
Before inception.
Can you tell us what happened and how do you know us from before
Well,
inception?
Bhaskar would come to our store and ask us what is the customers want, what is their demand, what type of watches people prefer.
Even before we launched?
That's how you have taken out the product, what the market wants. The brands would make what they like, and the customer had to buy it. You like it, you take it. If you don't like it, don't take it. Titan changed the concept. They said, we will do what the market wants, what the customers want. And that's what they did. And for that, they used to come to research. And not only to my store. Bhaskar would go all over the country to all the main retailers. Pune, Bombay, Bangalore, Delhi, Chennai, Calcutta. He has been to all those, and he has personal relation with all the retailers who were there and who were there before Titan took out the actual launch, and even after that. And one thing I would like to talk about Bhaskar, he keeps relations.
Yes, I can attest to that, sir. Because
Yes.
I would like to just add one thing here, because I'm getting a lot of messages from people who worked with Bhaskar, sir.
Bhaskar.
and they keep talking about how special he was for them, and how this show has brought memories of them working together.
Yes.
So many people have messaged, especially mentioning Bhaskar sir, and that tells you what an impact he's had, And I've never met Bhaskar sir, and I would love to really meet him. I've only had one photograph of him that I saw, and I absolutely fell in love with his smile. Like, I think he has the most beautiful smile. And when I met Cover sir today, I told him, after Bhaskar sir, I've seen this smile once more. This
You're
energy.
flattering me.
No, it's true, sir. It's true. I told you the first thing before the
Yes.
podcast started.
Yes, I know that.
I said this,
I know that.
but I think you're right about that. That's exactly what that
Bhaskar
shows the kind
has
of leader he
made
has been.
the company.
Yeah.
Bhaskar, what Titan is today, it owes a lot to Bhaskar. And he's a person who's kept relations. He knows not mine to definitely, but other retailers also. He knows the personal names of all the family members. And he would not ask, how is your son or daughter or mommy or dad?
He asked
He
my
would,
name.
by the name he would say.
Yeah, so I think we were blessed to have the vision that
Yeah.
Mr. Desai brought,
And
the relationship that Bhaskar brought
yes,
to the
Bhaskar
table.
is a topper in IMM Ahmedabad.
And I think a lot of that we see in Made in India as well.
Yeah.
People who believed, people who were able to transfer that
Correct.
sense of belief to others.
Yeah.
And so more success to you, sir.
Thank you.
Many,
And
many more hundreds of years for CT
Together.
Pandol together.
Together with Titan.
Yeah.
Together.
And to you, Lakshmi, in your career.
So, yes.
and we
yes.
hope to see.
And thank you for having me. What a beautiful room, first of all. And so it's been a pleasure to see you,
Thank you.
meet you, and hear you. I have a lot more things that I want to talk to you
And
about.
one more thing, I want more series of Titans of this Made in India.
So I will give you the producer's number, the director's number, all
100
the
more-
numbers.
100 more stories तो उनके पास है.
मैं आपको बोलता हूँ, आप उनको बताइए, वो पक्का कहानी बनाएंगे, बहुत सारी. उनको बोल दीजिएगा मुझे कास्ट दोबारा कर ले बस. चलिए, thank you.
Don't worry, I'll put in a word.
बस, that's it, sir. Thank you so much.
So on that happy note, thank you all.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.